Developing now, a new company that is coming to Anderson County is planning to hire up to 200 people over the next few years. 7 News reporter Ariana Meadows tells you who they're looking to hire.
The Mojave facility here on Pierman Dairy Road is a clean energy air company that says they're bringing higher paying positions to Anderson County. Mojave Energy Systems is bringing its first plant to Anderson County, a $4 million investment with easy access to the highway and not far from the inland port in Greer.
Our mission is to reduce the carbon footprint of the world by 1 gigaton of CO2 production, and we're going to do that by reducing energy or power requirements of air conditioners for commercial and industrial applications.
Vice President of Manufacturing Robert Fancher says they're looking to hire 200 workers, many of them with specialized skills.
We need people who understand air conditioners and how they work. It is essentially an assembly operation, so we don't necessarily need to be fixing them. That's a typical job for an HVAC technician. They're going to be doing the assembly work, but we still want everybody here in this initial factory startup to be aware of how an air conditioner works. Some of the other skills are brazing copper, working with refrigerants, electrical and controls technicians.
Anderson County Director of Economic Development Burris Nelson says with those specialty skills, workers can earn up to $30 an hour.
We look for companies that bring those skill sets that bring the higher paying jobs. And then it's not necessarily big companies that we're after, but it's the companies that create those job opportunities for the citizens of Anderson County.
Fancher says they have entry-level and senior-level positions available and will train workers.
We're going to have people with 20 or 30 years of experience on down to graduating from high school.
He says having a diverse team will create a well-rounded workforce.
We don't need one type of person who can do everything. We need to have specialized people in certain areas and then generalists in the more lower skilled tasks, just basic assembly work.
The company says the facility is set to open the day after Thanksgiving, but they're accepting applications now. In Anderson County, Ariana Meadows, 7 News.
So if you are interested in applying, there's a link to do so this weekend on WSPA.com.